Hi y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen, and today I'm gonna make you all some fried deviled eggs, and they are so good. This is a treat that you can use for Christmas, anytime, like little parties for your kids and, for your guests. But anyway, what I'll be using, using some seasoned Panko. I have some, this is cheese, shredded cheese, and this is parsley, grapes, Mayo, vinegar, relish, sweet relish, bacon, cherries, mustard, mayo, pepper, salt, and honey. I'll be using all of these ingredients at one time, and when I use them, I'll explain like I normally do. I explain them to you as I use them. And the first thing, I boil my eggs. I mean, you all know how to boil eggs, I boil my eggs and trying to save time. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to cut them in two for the yolk, get the yolk out. And when I'm cutting mine, I think the best way to me is let it pop out. So let it pop out, you don't have to worry about it. And if it's a little yellow in there, some of the yolk is in the white, it don't matter because these will be fried. And that's why I do mine. That's the best way. Some people take a spoon and, get them out. I just take mine like that. It's easy and kind of lift that. Sometimes it don't come out as good as it should. But I think that's the best method for me. And if you leave a little yellow in it, don't matter. Because the eggs, that's what you're going to make the egg with yolk. So I'm going to get these out. I'm going to take all of these out. And I'm going to get back with you. Yeah. I took all the eggs, the yolk out the eggs, and laid them over here. Here they are. And one thing when you're cooking fried eggs, you see all this yolk and how they look on the outside. It don't matter because these will be covered with some breading. And it doesn't matter now. If I was making deviled eggs, for show and stuff, I would clean these. I'll wash these out with the white with some cold water and let them sit for a while and dry them off. But now I don't need to do that. So what I did, I took and separated the yolk from the eggs, from the white, and I'm breaking it up. I had some extra eggs that kind of broke up a little bit, and I put that in with the yolk. That helped, have enough filling to go in your eggs, so that helps a lot. If you break up an egg when you cook it, just take it and mash it up and put it with your yolk. Put it all together. So I'm gonna put this together, and the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish breaking this up good. And when I'm cooking eggs, I don't like my eggs to be smooth. I like for my eggs to be crunchy. I don't like just putting it in there, beating it with a mixer and smoothing out and putting the eggs in there, just putting it, spreading it like it's some kind of, I don't like that. I like mine to be chunky. And the first thing I'm gonna do while I'm doing my eggs, I'm gonna take some, that's how I do it. Doesn't matter, I'll be using all of these things for my egg at one time. So I'm gonna put sweet relish in here. Now these are fried eggs. I'm gonna put some sweet relish, stir it up and make sure. Some people don't use relish and they just use mayo and mustard and whatever. But I put relish in mine. And the reason I do, because I like for my eggs to be chunky. I like for my deviled eggs has that little chunk, and I don't like it just eat it and bite into it. I just like mine a little chunky. So I'm gonna put all of this in. This is about maybe 2 tablespoons, and I had 9 eggs. 9 or 10 eggs, yep. So I got that beat up, and the next thing I'm gonna put is some mustard. And it don't matter which order you do. I'm making just deviled eggs. Put mustard. Stir it up a little bit. See, I love that relish in mine. It make them chunky. So I got the relish. And I'm gonna put some mayo, a little mayo. And then put another spoon. I'll put something to put this mayo in there. So I'm gonna stir this up good. It's so simple to make. I know everybody in here know how to make deviled eggs, but I wanted to have you all have fried deviled eggs. That's the easiest thing to make is deviled eggs. See how that's how good I want it. I think I put about a tablespoon in here and a half. For these 9 eggs. You don't want it too wet. So now I'm gonna take and put a little bacon in here. This is so good with bacon and deviled eggs. If you never tried it, try it. Crumble it up, fresh bacon. And put this in it. I'm gonna save a little bit to garnish it with. So this is all I need to be in here. And I'm gonna put a little syrup. Just a little, not syrup, I'm sorry, honey. Instead of using sugar, I'm gonna use honey. Because you do need to put a little sugar in deviled eggs. Just a little, so I'm putting this on just a little honey. And I'm gonna put Maybe a little cheese in here, just a little bit. These are loaded fried deviled eggs. Really good. Then I'm going to take and put a little pepper in here. Pepper. Go around it like I tell you all. Then I'm going to put a little salt. And that's all you need for deviled eggs, y'all. You need mustard, salt, pepper, mayo, and a little vinegar, and put just a tap of vinegar in here. And that's all the ingredients that I use for my deviled eggs. You can do it any kind of way. These are fried deviled eggs, and that's all I need, a little vinegar, because the celery has some in there. I'm going to set this aside. So I just look, y'all, this looks good. I'm going to set it aside and get my grease together. Yep, so I just look. You don't want it too wet, and you don't want it too dry. That's about the good way. And you can taste this. I'm going to taste this a little bit and get another spoon. I'm going to taste inside taste. That's good. Only thing I could say, I might need a little honey, just a little bit more honey. But that's good. See how that look? This is how deviled eggs should look. Okay, I'm going to set this aside and get ready to stuff my egg. Okay, you all ready to get ready with the fried eggs. I set my mix my eggs, deviled eggs, mix in the refrigerator so it can kind of cool down a little bit. So right now, I'm just going to put a little salt in here. This is egg, just scrambled with some eggs, whitewash. I'm going to put a little pepper in here to season it. A lot, but it ain't going to hurt. It seemed like it was a lot, but that ain't too much. Sometimes that stuff fall out like it wanted to. And so I'm going to stir this up. And the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take and put these eggs in here. Let them get wet. Put some in here. And then once I do that, I'm going to stir them around. Put them in here. And this egg wash. Turn it over here. Let it get set in here. See how my skillet. And I got my skillet over here heating. And what I use a wok because it's deep. I like that deepness in it. And I'll put them in here and let them cook so they'll cook easier. So I'm going to take these right here. I got the grease about hot. I'm going to test one of them. So let all the yolk get off. I'm going to put them in here. Stir them up in here. These are breadcrumbs. Panko seasoned breadcrumbs. That's how I do it. Sometimes it's hard to stay on, but you just got to. So I'm going to put that in there. Sometimes it don't stick to the egg like it should, but I don't know. I'm going to set this in here to let it fry. Okay, y'all. I'm ready. I stuck them. I put them in here. I put them in the skillet. The grease is hot enough, so I'm putting these in here. Sometimes, you know, when you're cooking, the crumbs don't stick like they should, but, you know, still got a little bit on there. Seems like I'm having this a little problem today, but this is how you make fried deviled eggs. You just use some breadcrumbs from the white and season it up. I'm putting all of these in here. Okay. Hey, y'all, look at these delicious fried eggs. I let them stay there. I'm going to tell you one thing about putting these eggs in grease and stuff. They pop terrible. You have to be careful because they will pop. And I've started with some on there. And on some of them, I'm just going to take and put a little bacon on that. The bacon crumbs on here. I'm just trying to, you know, this is just a good little treat for people. Bacon on here. I start putting some in there. I don't like I said, I don't use that plastic bag that you can do or buy that thing that you spread your deviled eggs with. I don't like that. It's too much cross-contamination to me. So I'm going to put the yolk in here and all of these. Get them ready. This is so good, y'all. You know it's good. If you never had it, try it. Fix it for, if you're cooking it for Christmas, make sure this is the last thing you do. Because you want them kind of warm. They don't have to, they're good kind of cool, but you want them kind of, it tastes best when they're kind of warm. So I'm going to put this on here. Chunky. I like chunky egg salad. I'm going to put these on here. get ready to eat this. This is quick, a very quick recipe, and I hope y'all enjoyed this. Check out my other ones. I'll be doing some little snacks for Christmas, like, you know, different things like this. You can sit around. Don't they look good, y'all? You can sit around and eat this, you know, when you get, like, sitting down looking at TV, your football games. You can eat this because sometimes people don't, I messed that one up, don't worry about it though. Sometimes people don't want a lot of chicken, turkey for Christmas. They just want a little food. And this is a snack that you can enjoy. Fried deviled eggs. Mattie's Kitchen. Now, like I said, I could have used that plastic bag, but I like for mine a little chunky, not smooth. Okay, I'm gonna finish these up. All you're doing is the fried eggs. I took the fried eggs out the grease. Like I said, be very careful when you're frying these eggs. I fried the white of the egg. Make sure I use Panko season mix. Make sure you be careful when you fry them because they will pop. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up and I'm gonna get back with you all. Thank you all for tuning into my little presentation of fried deviled eggs. They are so good. I got cheese on them. I got bacon. I got everything that needs to go in a deviled egg. And I fried them. But like I said, be careful. If you like this presentation, please tune into my other videos. And I'm getting you all ready for Christmas. And like I say, I'll say this 1,000 times. If I don't get back with you, have a happy and a Merry Christmas from Mattie's Kitchen. Thank you. What's that sound? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take.
Cut it off for you.